Want to see how I did these awful Christmas nails? Keep watching. Hi, welcome back. My name is Masha, and today I am having a cheap nail polish challenge. I recently made a video on a $10 gift from a Dollar Tree, and while browsing in the store, I picked up some nail supplies. I really wanted to do Christmas nail art. I looked at the nail polishes at the dollar store and picked out some that will go along with the Christmas theme. I also saw this nail art pen that's 3-in-1, glitter, polish, and a pen. I thought that was something pretty cool and I wanted to try that. So I am doing a cheap nail polish nail art challenge. I did pick up from Dollar Tree nail tips and the glue, but I'm not planning on building my nails with just Dollar Tree product, but I will be building my nails with the IBD gel, and of course I will need some nail prep supporting products. So everything I'll be doing nail art with is strictly from a Dollar Tree. For it to stay challenging, I've decided that I should create my nail art without use of any brushes or any special tools for drawing. However, I am going to be using a toothpick to help out with glitters. I haven't done much nail art with a regular nail polish, so do not expect a masterpiece. In the end of the video, I'll also show you how long those nails lasted. I think it'll be fun to work with that, so let's see how it turned out. So let's just go ahead and start. Here are my nails, used and abused, and I will build them using these nail tips. They feel a bit thin and have no numbers on them to indicate the size, so I had to guess and compare to find a pair. Once I have found the match for each finger, I roughed up the glue-on side of the nail tips for better adhesion and buffed off all the little squigglies that the drill has created. Now I gotta prep my nails. I won't be following my regular routine, and I'll explain why in just a moment. But if you would like to see my usual nail prep in detail, I have a video on that. It's now popping up right here, and also it'll be linked in the description box below the video. I started with a dehydrator to eliminate any dust or oil on my natural nails. And I will not prime just yet, because I'm not sure how primer will react with the glue. Gluing the nail tips turned out more difficult than I remembered. I did not apply enough glue and had to add more in the corners with the toothpick. I have a bad feeling about this, but turned out that didn't even matter because I did not have a nail tip clipper. So I had to glue them a bit better before cutting. Well, it is what it is. Let's move on. For the IBD gel to go on more even, I'm filing nail tips on top to smooth out the difference between the tips and my natural nails. Plus, it gets rid of all the shine on the tip, which provides better adhesion. And of course, I gotta shape up the free edge, wiping all the dust. And now it's time for the primer. I'm only going to apply the primer on the natural part of the nail because that's the only place the nail primer belongs. Then I'll go in with the base gel. I believe IBD has their own system of base, build gel, and the top, but I'm using what I have and I hope it works. After the base gel is applied and cured for 30 seconds, I build the rest of the nail structure with the IBD gel. Working with the builder gel might be a bit tricky, it's kinda gooey, and I apply a thin layer all over the nail first, and then I pick up a larger amount of the gel and try to evenly distribute the gel all over the nail, going left and right. I flip it upside down for the gravity to do its job. Builder gel does self-level very well, so I try not to panic when I don't see the result I want immediately. After curing for 1 minute, I file my nails for a better finished result. And now they're basically ready for the artsy part. My natural nails are now covered, but I'll still use the 2-in-1 base and top coat before applying nail polish. The colors I'll be working with are this blue glitter clear polish,
this kind of metallic green, and the white polish that surprised me with its good pigmentation. As for the 3-in-1 nail art pen, well, I thought it was going to be red, but it's pink, but it's okay. I can work with that. The pen part got pushed down the first time I applied little pressure, but I still get basically 2 products for $1. So I started with applying 1 coat of pink and 2 coats of white, and let it dry. After working mostly with gels that have a set curing time in a lamp, waiting on a regular polish to dry seemed like a punishment, and I messed up a lot. I did 2 coats of green as well. And now is the fun part, glitter! It was really hard to come up with something interesting, so this is what I've got. I applied glitter on the layer of the top coat, and this one I made it into a Christmas tree. I know, it's horrible, but it's a challenge, right? So I'm not going to stop. Let's make some snowflakes on the other pink fingernail. I'm not even going to explain myself. Just enjoy the view. I think this one is my favorite. So simple, yet great. I've got 1 fingernail left, and I think I'm gonna do some icicles. There it is, my probably worst nail art ever. And I removed it immediately. Well, what do you think? It was challenging, that's for sure. Okay, and how long do you think those nails lasted? What do you think? They lasted a day. Just 1 day. To be fair, I do not blame it on those nail tips or the glue. Blame it on the artist. The layer of hard gel was too thin, and I did not apply a top coat to protect it. And I was really rough with my nails. I deep cleaned 2 bathrooms without gloves, did some laundry and some dishes, used my fingers for scraping stuff. So I'm not surprised they didn't last. It was 100% my fault. But that got me thinking that I need to build my nails with something strong. What could that be? I know. Fiberglass. Did you know you can build your nails with fiberglass? If not, then you should subscribe to me because I'm planning on doing that really soon. And even if you do know what fiberglass nails are, I want to shine a new light on it. Also, let me know in the comments what you thought about all of this. I would really like to know what you think. If you watched my videos and you had some thought, please put it in the comments. I would really like to know what you thought. That would really help me to create content that you enjoy. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.